The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 upright vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. With strong suction, a detachable design, and advanced filtration, it's built to handle everyday cleaning with ease while improving indoor air quality. Powerful multi-surface suction. This vacuum delivers strong suction performance that effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. It's capable of deep cleaning carpets while still being gentle enough for delicate surfaces. Lift-away detachable pod for versatile cleaning. One of its standout features is the lift-away functionality, which allows you to detach the canister from the base. This makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, curtains, and hard-to-reach areas with portable convenience. HEPA filter with anti-allergen. Complete seal equipped with a HEPA filtration system, the vacuum traps over 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the unit. This is especially beneficial for people with allergies or pets, helping keep indoor air cleaner. Swivel steering for easy maneuverability. The built-in swivel steering allows smooth navigation around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. It gives you better control and makes cleaning less tiring, especially in cluttered areas. Large dust cup capacity, 0.9 quart. The vacuum features a large capacity dust cup, allowing longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. When it's full, it can be easily removed and emptied in seconds. Brush roll shutoff for floor versatility. With a simple switch, you can turn off the brush roll to move from deep carpet cleaning to gentle hard floor cleaning. This helps protect delicate surfaces while maintaining cleaning efficiency. Pet-friendly cleaning tools included. It comes with useful attachments like an upholstery tool and crevice tool, making it easy to remove pet hair, clean furniture, and reach tight corners or gaps. Lightweight and practical design. Despite being an upright vacuum, it is relatively lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions. Bagless design with easy maintenance. The bagless system eliminates the need for replacement bags, reducing maintenance costs. Filters are washable, making long-term use more convenient and budget-friendly. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 is a powerful, versatile, and budget-friendly vacuum cleaner that excels in deep cleaning and flexibility. It's an excellent choice for homes with pets, mixed flooring, or users who want strong performance with convenient features in one reliable machine.